Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Andi Muhammad Rafi Urera. My major Nautica number 2. I am study of AMI IP Makassar. Welcome back to my vlog. Today I mention one of the more important villages on our campus. IS the library. The library is a place where study can write books, study, and computer are safe, a queen environment. So let's take closer look at library of AMI IP Makassar. Now where are the library? As you can see, the atmosphere here is very clear and comfortable. Let's go. This condition makes the library a perfect place for learning activities. Study are required to keep sane, so everyone they can study comfortably. The library of AMI IP Makassar. My book can Liton related to maritime study. For explain the R book navigation maritime engineer ship management and port operations. These books are ever important for study back the support our academy learning. By reading this book, study can under the door and all is appealing a maritime file. This area reading and study area. Studios whose sit were to ready book the achievement of prepare for aims. The camp and format help study to focus better on the study. Small teams study as high half group discussion. Her will still following the libre rules. And my opening, the library play an improve role in supporting academic activities. Each study I am from the quality, ready, skill, and discipline. The library also I take study to be responsible and inspect it learning. Therefore, the facility is very beneficial for all study of AMI IP Makassar. Professional, I enjoy study and the library where it is quinten or please. I can concentrate better. I finish a faster. For me, the library is the best place for study when how want to study. So and productive. The East vlog buat the libre at AMI IP Makassar. I hope this video can give you several information about one of the validity on our campus. Thanks you very much for waiting. See you next time video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.